Hello and happy Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. Let's talk through the forecast around Australia for Thursday. And of course, we have really been focusing on rainfall across northeast Queensland, but on Thursday, the wet weather continues to get more extensive through central Queensland, western Queensland, and the top half of the Northern Territory, with monsoon conditions really kicking in for some places up there. Elsewhere, away from the north and northeast, much drier conditions expected across the nation. Actually, very pleasant weather on the way for many areas. So the worst affected areas in recent days have been around the North Tropical Coast in terms of heavy rain and flooding, and we continue to see rainfall easing back slightly up there, but at the same time the rain intensifies through other areas, particularly central Queensland, the Central Highlands, and potentially out towards the Central Coast around Mackay. Could see some very heavy falls on Thursday, and we may well have a heavy rain warning issued before Thursday arrives. It's not isolated though. The rain becomes extensive across the entire northern half of the state, right out to the northwest and up into the Gulf and across the peninsula as well. The southern half of Queensland is drier. Across the southeast there'll be one or two showers, but lots of dry weather as well, although it will stay at least partly cloudy. A fairly bright and settled day on the way for New South Wales. There'll be a few showers that do develop through this region, mostly up in the hills, perhaps one or two across coastal areas as well. Away from those showers in the northeast, it's generally clear skies, a little bit of passing cloud, temperatures in the high 20s along the coast. It's continuing to be very warm inland, up to 40 degrees in the west. Canberra not quite that hot, but a nice 32-degree day. And clear skies and sunshine across Victoria as well. Dry in almost all areas, maybe one or two light showers in the eastern hills. Temperatures back up, 30 degrees in Melbourne, mid to upper 30s elsewhere in the state. And then on Friday, we'll see yet another cool change, which will continue those yo-yoing temperatures that we have seen so far this week. Very pleasant weather forecast for Thursday across Tasmania, perhaps a little bit chilly in the morning with temperatures around 10 degrees in some areas, but warming nicely into the mid-20s with sunshine overhead through Thursday afternoon. High of 25 for Hobart, 28 up in Launceston. It's a hot one across South Australia, 40-degree temperatures in the north, mid-30s further south. If you're right on the south coast, you might get a little southerly breeze which keeps you a touch milder, but away from those coastal areas, it's really going to be warm. Dry and sunny in almost all areas. We have isolated showers through the Riverlands and the Flinders district, but very hit and miss, and probably only bringing a couple of millimetres of rain, even for the places that do see them. It's continuing to be very hot through this area here in southern WA. Not a lot of large communities through here, but those ones that do exist, like Kalgoorlie, Boulder, very warm indeed. Mid 40-degree temperatures yet again. Mid 30s and sunshine for the southwest coast, including Perth. A little cooler and a little bit windier along the far south coast of the state. Dry through all of these centres on Thursday. And we do have to talk about the monsoon in the north, because we've got a monsoon line up in the Arafura Sea, which is likely to impact the Northern Territory in the coming couple of days. Could even start to touch some very northwestern places during Thursday. Then the official monsoon onset through Darwin, looking like it could occur on Friday or perhaps during the weekend. And the result of that is going to be much more widespread wet weather, showers and storms, cloudy skies and cooler temperatures in the coming days, including for Thursday. We can see how expansive the rainfall is from the Kimberley right across to Tennant Creek and even further south, and that of course includes the entire top end of the Northern Territory. To see what's in store for your neighbourhood, find your local forecast on the Bureau's website and app. Have a great day and thanks for watching.